Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Pulsechain using MetaMask. First, you'll need to set up your MetaMask wallet. Install the browser extension and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Then, add the Pulsechain network to MetaMask by entering the correct network details. This crucial first step connects your wallet to the Pulsechain ecosystem, preparing you for the next stages of the process. Always double-check the network information for accuracy. Next, you'll need to acquire some tokens on the Ethereum mainnet that can be bridged to Pulsechain. Wrapped Ethereum, or WETH, is a common choice. You can purchase WETH from a centralized exchange or swap for it on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. Once acquired, send your WETH to your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network. Remember to account for Ethereum gas fees when making these transactions. Now it's time to bridge your assets to Pulsechain. Visit the official Pulsechain Bridge website and connect your MetaMask wallet. Select WETH as the token you wish to bridge and specify the amount. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask, understanding that this process involves two transactions, one to approve the token and another to execute the bridge. Bridging can take some time, so be patient. Finally, with your WETH now on the Pulsechain network, you can swap it for Pulse or PLS. Go to a decentralized exchange operating on Pulsechain, such as PulseX, and connect your MetaMask wallet. Select WETH as the token you want to sell and PLS as the token you want to buy. Enter the amount, review the transaction details, and confirm the swap in MetaMask. Congratulations, you now own PLS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.